Big Brother has always been a game of manipulation, strategy, alliances, and timing, but every season there seems to be that one player who starts as an underdog, someone overlooked by the bigger personalities in the house, only to slowly turn the game around in their favor. Big Brother 27 is no different, and as the competition heads into its crucial final weeks, one underdog player is proving once again that a particular strategy in this long-running reality series remains undeniable. It's a strategy built on patience, adaptability, and calculated social maneuvering, a playstyle that the loudest competitors often dismiss until it is too late. This season's underdog has not only embraced the role but has also transformed it into a masterclass for future house guests who want to soar. Weave the chaos of Big Brother. From the moment the cast was revealed, it was clear which players were going to dominate the spotlight early on. Big personalities, physical threats, and vocal strategists immediately painted targets on their backs, leaving quieter, less noticeable house guests with room to breathe. The underdog in question began the game in the shadows, not considered a serious threat and not heavily involved in the loudest alliance-building conversations. Many fans watching the live feeds noticed early on that this player was often dismissed, underestimated, or outright ignored. And strategy talks were happening, but that may have been the smartest move they ever made. By not rushing to grab power and by allowing bigger egos to clash, this house guest built social capital without becoming a target. The undeniable strategy at play here is the art of playing from the bottom while positioning oneself to climb when the timing is right. For years, Big Brother history has shown that flashy early gameplay can quickly lead to eviction, but those who keep their heads down, make personal connections, and avoid unnecessary drama tend to have longer lifespans in the game. Season 27's underdog embodies this perfectly. Instead of being the one to drive the chaos, they quietly observed who was loyal, who was emotional, and who could be manipulated later. That quiet observation gave them a deep understanding of the social dynamics in the house, and when the chance came to insert themselves into a power shift, they did so with precision. One turning point came during the early weeks of jury, when a major alliance began to crack. While several of the dominant players were too busy pointing fingers and trying to protect their reputations, the underdog players slid into conversations that no one expected them to be a part of. They offered comfort to those who felt betrayed, reassured allies that they could be trusted, and slowly positioned themselves as a swing vote. Suddenly, this house guest wasn't invisible anymore. Instead, they were a crucial piece of the puzzle, someone who could decide which side stayed in control. Big Brother fans often talk about the floater strategy, but what this underdog is doing goes far beyond floating. Floaters are accused of simply going wherever the power is, but in truth, the best so-called floaters are actually expert adapters who choose their moments wisely. Season 27's underdog isn't passively surviving but actively calculating how to stay off the block, how to avoid blood on air hands, and how to remain essential to multiple players at once. This balance is extremely difficult to pull off, and it requires a deep understanding of human psychology, something this player clearly has mastered. Another undeniable aspect of this strategy is jury management. Big Brother is not just about surviving week to week, it's about setting yourself up to win in the end. The underdog has carefully nurtured relationships without being the cause of major betrayals. Even those who have been evicted rarely cite this player as their reason for leaving. In fact, some evicted house guests have left praising the underdog for their kindness or their ability to make them feel comfortable in a high-pressure environment. That kind of goodwill can pay dividends when it comes to final jury votes, as jurors often respect those who avoided unnecessary cruelty while still maneuvering strategically. Live feed watchers have noted that this player often plays the role of listener more than talker. While other house guests spill secrets or vent frustrations, the underdog sits quietly, offering nods and small reassurances, rarely overcommitting but always absorbing information. This has allowed them to piece together a clearer picture of the game than even some of the most aggressive strategists. Information is power in Big Brother, and sometimes the most powerful position is being the person everyone underestimates, because no one realizes how much you know. What makes this season's underdog so compelling is the way their game challenges the expectations of modern Big Brother. In recent years, there has been an increasing emphasis on winning competitions as a way to assert dominance and protect oneself. Yet, this houseguest has shown that you don't need to rack up a wall of competition wins to prove your worth. Instead, they have let others burn themselves out while stepping in only when absolutely necessary. This restraint is exactly what has kept them from becoming too big of a target, and it proves that sometimes the most undeniable game strategy is patience paired with precision. As the endgame looms, the underdog's path becomes both more dangerous and more exciting. At this stage in Big Brother, the remaining players usually realize that someone has been playing a quieter but effective game and suddenly try to take them out. The key for this underdog will be to continue blending in just enough while also making bold moves that the jury will respect. It's a delicate balance, but one that could lead to one of the most satisfying victories in recent Big Brother history if executed correctly. What fans love about underdog stories is that they reflect the core spirit of Big Brother, that anyone, no matter their physical abilities, personality type, or initial perception, can win if they understand human behavior and play the long game. Big Brother 27's underdog player is living proof of this, reminding viewer that flashy power moves might get you airtime, but smart, subtle strategy is what gets you to the end. Their gameplay is a reminder that the most undeniable strategy isn't always about domination, it's about endurance, adaptability, and making sure you are sitting in that final chair when it matters most. As the season barrels toward its finale, fans will be watching closely to see if this underdog can maintain their momentum. If they can avoid being targeted in the next crucial weeks, they may very well emerge as one of the most respected winners in recent memory. No matter what happens, though, their journey has already proven an essential truth about Big Brother: the game rewards not just the strongest or the loudest, but those who know when to listen, when to act, and when to let others destroy themselves. And that undeniable strategy is one that future house guests will undoubtedly try to replicate, making this underdog a true blueprint for Big Brother success. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond Big Brother YouTube channel for more update news.